Hi, it's Sarah Taylor. I just wanted to say a quick hello, and I'm grateful to be able to contribute to this incredible auction and fundraiser sponsored by Fluid Art Co. TLP. They've provided us a really beautiful limited edition pigment to work with called Benevolence, which I adore. I tried it in a pearl painting. I didn't think that it really highlighted the pigment itself well enough, so I came back and I did a couple 12 by 12 inch textured blooms, a technique that I absolutely love. And yeah, $5 of every jar is going to directrelief.org, which is an organization helping with mostly medical supplies for hurricane relief. Between Helene and Milton, things are a little rough. A lot of people have been affected, a lot of tragedy. And, you know, the more people that get behind and help each other and help each other to help other people in this altruistic way, the better we'll all be. And art is healing in its own right. And I just can't wait to show you what I've done, and I cannot wait to see what all the other artists contribute. They will all be auctioned off November 3rd on YouTube. So if you like the art you're seeing, come back, bid. All that money is going to Direct Relief org. So, all right, I'll get you onto the canvas. Okay, so putting down my pillow paint, which is PPG eggshell. I add a little bit of GAC 800 and a little bit of water. Helps it move and dry well. There it is. That's Benevolence, the TLP pigment that's being used in this entire collaboration. It's just beautiful. That's a Charvin indigo with some Jenkins green and Payne's gray. That's like some quinacridone magenta and a little bit of Matisse Australian red violet. That's Sky Blue Light by Amsterdam. Quinacridone nickel. Actually, that's Golden Yellow by TriArt Fluids. And a little bit of Interference Red by Golden Fluids. So, and these are all my cell activators. So this is all TriArt heavy high viscosity quinacridone magenta, green gold, which I didn't use, India yellow, and the black and the white as well. There's my pillow paint. So my cell activator, it's the high viscosity TriArt mixed 3 parts paint to 1 part Australian Floetrol. Please like, share, subscribe, all the things. It's really helpful. So glad you're here today. I'm so glad you're participating in this fundraiser, or if you're just here to watch the art, that's great too. Putting my colors down on the pillow. This is just a really nice 12 by 12 inch deep gallery wrapped canvas from Jerry's Artorama. It's their Edge series canvases, which have become my favorite. And I am going to go in with a little bit of this Pebeo Moon, and it's their Pearl. It's the color. This is where I'm getting this really lovely texture in these bloom paintings. It's a really fun technique. I'm teaching it at FAE in May. So it's my first class of the event. And now the cell activators. So I'm going to use black, white, quinacridone magenta, India yellow, and I feel like these different colors of cell activator really offer a lot of interest and make the painting really dynamic, really fun. I love doing this technique. You know, Sheely developed this bloom technique, and it's really fun watching how artists take it and use it in different ways. I mean, it's just such a dynamic technique, and I personally love it. I was initially inspired by Jessica Winterstrom. And Sheely, of course. But the bloom swiping itself has become a normal part of my art practice. And yeah, I'm going to do 2 of these, and they're going to be auctioned off as a pair. They could be hung together. One could be gifted to somebody. You could keep one and give one away, or keep them together, whatever you'd like to do. I love the way they dried. I'll show you the dried results of this painting, and we'll get on to the second one as well. If you have any questions about this fundraiser, about the effort, where the money's going, any of that, I'm afraid that pigment's going to sell out really quickly. I know that before the collaboration even started on YouTube, a lot was already sold. So if you like this color, grab a jar of it, because it's going to go away when it's gone. So Yeah. All right. Much love. Take great care. Thank you for being here. And we'll see you soon.
Saw you paint a picture of a face, a face that wasn't even close to mine. I know I shouldn't be in love, but it's so hard to move on. You haven't changed, you stayed the same. But if you did, I'd still love you anyway. I'd give you the world like I promised I would, even though you wouldn't do the same. I'd give you the world like I promised I would, even though you wouldn't do the same. Had this conversation more than 10 times. After 9, I still wish you were mine. Haven't ate in 7 days, 'cause I've been up till 6 a.m. Wrote 5 songs all just for you. 3 of them I can't bear listening to. I'd give you the world like I promised I would, even though you wouldn't do the same. I'd give you the world like I promised.
Here's the dried results. I just wanted to show you this beautiful texture, the Pebeo moon, and of course this beautiful pigment benevolence, which I just adore. It's a limited pigment, so I'm worried it might be sold out by the time this video even airs. So if you haven't grabbed a bottle of it, it's very pretty. And then this is that Interference red by Golden Fluid. It's really pretty. Yeah, lots of fun. Show you another painting.
Wanna feel you. Wanna feel you like a high breeze in the night. Wanna know you in your darkest wrongs and rights. Tell them to open up the gates. We are the ones that liberate, the ones that never hesitate. Hey, hey, hey. Tell them to stand up while they wait. We are the ones they wanna say, the ones that never hesitate. Hey, hey, hey.
Here's the dried results of this piece. All the same colors as the first. I'm gonna auction these off as a pair. The quinacridone really came in on this one. There's that beautiful, this camera just isn't even doing it justice. It's really hard to really capture that color. All right, this will be in the auction on November 3rd, 2024 for the Hurricane Relief Project.